What's good, dear fam? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do a nice, easy Sunday football sandwich. We're going to do a good old New Orleans po' boy. We're going to do a roast beef po' boy. It's real simple, real easy. Something you put together on a Sunday. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, let's get started with the po' boy. Guys, supporting cast is real simple. So this is the cheating part, which I absolutely enjoy because you don't have to do any cooking. I got some roast beef from the deli cut up thinly. So that's the important part. Make sure you go ahead and buy that roast beef. It's okay. Then we got, I like Swiss cheese. You can use provolone. You can use whatever you want to on it. I got my little bread here. I got some French bread, not traditional to the poor boy, but that's all they had at the store, so that's what I got. Some some tomatoes, some pickles, a little bit of lettuce, some American Whip. That's what I like. If you want Duke's, you can use that. Whatever mayonnaise you want. Sometimes I use Japanese mayonnaise. This is the most important part. One of the most important parts. This is beef gravy. You can get any kind you want. Follow the instructions on the packet. We'll get to that in a second. I use 2 packages. You can use 2 or 3 depending on how much you're going to be making. Then I got some just good old salt and pepper. You know I use pink Himalayan. Some pepper. Some Slap Your Mama seasoning. And a little bit of garlic powder. That's all goes into it. So real simple. We're going to go over to the stove and I'll show you how I do the roast beef. And then we'll put it together. We're over here at the stove. And I got my pan on with 3 cups of water in here. That's what these packages call for. I got 2 packages. They call for 1.5 cups of water per package. So it's 3 cups. So I got my water on. So we're going to put in our gravy mix. Both of them. Whisk that around just a little bit. Alright, so you know me, I'm not going to go with all store-bought stuff. So, season this up a little bit. A little bit of Slap Your Mama seasoning. A little bit of garlic powder, not that much. A little pinch of salt. And a little pinch of pepper. We're going to mix this all up in here good. We're going to let that come to a boil. Alright, so as you can see also I got my Still Made USA griddle on here. My slim model. And I'm just going to use this to toast off my bread. Because I got that French bread, I want to soften it up a little bit and toast it a little bit. Give it a little bit more flavor with some butter. We'll get to that here in just a minute. So I brought that to a boil. I'm going to let it simmer for a little bit. And then I'm going to drop in my roast beef. 1 piece at a time. Stir it up in there a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo-hoo. Take a trip to New Orleans. I'm not from New Orleans. I just love New Orleans food. And making a couple trips down there, eating the food, you fall in love. So we're gonna let that simmer for about 5, maybe 6 minutes. I got my bread on over here on the Still Made. Got my bread on. Get that a little bit of color, a little toastiness, and we'll be ready to put it together. So we're going to dress up the sandwich a little bit. I took my bread off, got a little color on it. So first thing I'm going to add is a nice amount of mayonnaise to both sides. And as you can see, I kind of hollowed out my bread a little bit. That French bread's a little too much. Just so I have a little less bread. But if I had a regular roll for a poor boy, I wouldn't have to do that. Alright, so I got my mayonnaise on both sides. And from here, I'm going to add my cheese here. You don't have to put cheese on it, it's my choice. So you can do what you want to. I'm going to do a little bit of lettuce. And then my tomato. I'm going to put my pickle on the other side here. I don't want a whole bunch of pickle, just one slice. Alright, so now we're going to add our beef to it. One more piece there. There we go. Look at that, stacked up. We're just going to place the top on. Look at that gravy. Oh my God, look at that gravy. Let me plate this up for you. So there you have it. New Orleans roast beef po' boy. Look at that gravy coming out. It's going to be messy, but it ain't good if it ain't messy. But you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. There you go, New Orleans po' boy. Don't get too much better than this. It's great for Sunday meal while you're watching football. Hey, you know I'm waiting for this bite. It's going to be messy. Hey guys, it don't get a whole lot better than this. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.